the BUNCHEMS Alive toy. It's a motorized action pack and it comes with 2. You can create 2 motorized action characters at one time. So I guess this means they bounce and they move on their own. You just have to attach them, create them, and watch them go. And they're so colorful. Wow, they look like they're having so much fun, and this crab is just bouncing everywhere. Let's open this box. Wow, look what we have here. Here's the instructions. So you can make different shapes, like a flower, and it tells you how to make the flower. Or 4, 3, maybe a little swirl. You put your hands together, a stack, and how to make eyes. It comes with different colors: blue, green, purple, red, white, and black. And it comes with 2 balls to make your little toy, some eyes, a mustache, ears, and then of course, our instructions. So this doesn't look so complicated. Here is our first ball and our eyes. And one is a googly eye with a pink eyelid. Our second one. And here are everything for decoration, like bat wings, angel wings, ears, a mustache. Wow, it's gonna be so much fun. Oh, and don't forget the beak and a little squiggly tail. So it looks like everything just sticks to these balls. We just have to decorate them. I wonder what color we should do first. Well, here's some blue. I think I'll make a bird. So a blue bird needs a lot of blue. So let's stack these up. These look extremely sticky. They just stick really well to each other. Let me try sticking it onto one of these balls. Wow, it sticks really well. So it's easy, you can just stick however you want. So I'm gonna stick these blue balls all over the body. And there's the last one. Wow, the body is already here and it's super fluffy. Perfect to be a bluebird. Now the bluebird has some feet, so we gotta put some feet on it. Which color should we put the feet? Let's give it some green feet. Okay, so to make green feet, we have to make sure it has 3 toes. So 3 lines for each toe. And we stick them together to make 3 toes for the foot. So here's one foot. Let's make the other foot. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 toes. Perfect. Now let's put them together and stick them on the body. So the body will sit on here. And there we go. The bird has feet. Yay! Of course, we gotta give this bird a little hat. I'm gonna give it a purple little hat. Not a hat, a feather. We gotta give this bird some feathers. So here is a feather. It will go right on top of his head. Right here. Perfect. Now, it's not a bird without eyes, so we have to give it some eyes. Here are 2 googly eyes. You have to make sure this little circle is facing the outside. So just rearrange them and then you can put the eyes on. So one eye goes in here and another eye goes in here. There we go, 2 eyes. We should also give the bird some wings. So let's put it on the side. One wing will go here. And another wing will go here. And of course, the bird has to have a beak. Here's a beak. Look, it opens up so it can eat. Give it a beak right here. Here we go. Perfect. It can talk and eat. I think the bird is done. I think we should feed the bird something. Okay, let's go get the bird some snacks. Hey, little blue bird. I got you some corn. Yay, corn. Nom, 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 nom. Looks like she really loves the corn. Her beak is perfect. It's working out just fine. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!